Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare glutathione versus collagen. Glutathione, often called the body's master antioxidant, is a tripeptide molecule produced in your liver, essential for detoxification and immune system function. Collagen, on the other hand, is the most abundant protein in your body, providing structural support to skin, bones, muscles, and connective tissues. While both are vital for health, their primary roles differ significantly. Glutathione's benefits include protecting cells from free radical damage, supporting liver detoxification, and enhancing immune response. It can also help brighten skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation. Collagen is known for improving skin hydration and elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and strengthening hair, nails, and joints. Essentially, glutathione works at a cellular level for protection, while collagen provides structural integrity. Your body naturally produces glutathione, and its production can be boosted by consuming sulfur-rich foods like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables. Collagen is primarily found in animal sources like beef, chicken, and fish, especially in their skin and bones. While both are available as supplements, the effectiveness of dietary glutathione absorption can be limited, whereas collagen supplements are widely used for their benefits. Interestingly, glutathione and collagen can work synergistically. Glutathione's antioxidant properties help protect existing collagen from damage, while collagen provides the structural framework for healthy skin. Combining them may offer a more comprehensive approach to anti-aging and overall skin vitality. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it aligns with your individual health needs. And speaking of making things easier, check out the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.